Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the glorious history of one of the world's most respected air forces, the Indian Air Force. From its humble beginnings to becoming a mighty aerial power, this is a journey worth knowing. Let's get started. The Indian Air Force was officially established on October 8, 1932 as an auxiliary air force of the British Empire. The first squadron came into being in 1933, equipped with 4 Westland Wapiti biplanes and a small team of 6 Indian officers. It played a limited role in the beginning but set the foundation for something greater. During World War II, the IAF played a significant role in supporting Allied forces in Burma and other Asian regions. Indian pilots flew combat missions against the Japanese and earned global recognition for their bravery and skills. After the war, in 1945, the force was awarded the prefix Royal and became the Royal Indian Air Force. After India gained independence in 1947, the IAF had to quickly adapt. The royal title was dropped in 1950 when India became a republic, and it officially became the Indian Air Force. The IAF played crucial roles in every major war. India has fought 1947, 1965, 1971, the Kargil War, and even during the 2019 Balakot airstrike. Today, the Indian Air Force is the 4th largest in the world. It operates modern fighter jets like the Rafale, Sukhoi, Su-30 MKI and LCA Tejas. The IAF is not just about combat, it carries out rescue missions, humanitarian aid and disaster relief, both in India and abroad. From a modest unit of biplanes to a cutting-edge air force, the IAF has come a long way. It stands tall with its motto, Nabha Sparsham Deeptam, touch the sky with glory. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Jai Hind.